Imagine a life form that doesn't look like anything you've ever seen before. A mirror version of life, where DNA and proteins are flipped, just like looking at yourself in a mirror. This is the concept of mirror life, and it's one of the most radical ideas in synthetic biology today. But scientists are now raising alarms that creating these organisms could lead to irreversible consequences. In this video, we'll explore why mirror life could be humanity's most dangerous scientific breakthrough yet. Life on Earth is built on chirality, which means that biological molecules, like DNA and proteins, have a handedness, left and right. Think of it like gloves. You can't wear a left-hand glove on your right hand. Mirror life would take these molecular structures and flip them around. Essentially, you'd have an organism with reversed DNA and proteins, life as we know it, but viewed in a mirror. In theory, a mirror organism would function like any other cell. It would grow, reproduce, and survive. However, since it's built from completely different molecular building blocks, these cells would be alien to every other living thing on Earth, including us. While the idea of mirror life started as an ambitious scientific challenge, it now raises serious concerns. Scientists fear that if these mirror organisms ever escape the lab, they could be impossible to control. Since our immune systems wouldn't recognize them as foreign, mirror bacteria could potentially invade the human body undetected, causing infections that grow and spread without warning. Beyond the human body, if these bacteria were released into the wild, they would have no natural predators and could outcompete existing microorganisms, creating global invasive threats. Imagine a world where mirror bacteria infest entire ecosystems, driving plant and animal species to extinction. This could cause ecological chaos, a domino effect where the loss of critical species triggers unpredictable changes to ecosystems. At first glance, mirror life seemed promising. Since these organisms wouldn't be recognized by the human immune system, they could be used for medical purposes, like creating medications that wouldn't trigger harmful immune responses. However, this same property of invisibility is what makes mirror life so dangerous. A mirror bacterium could be undetectable by our body, making it potentially fatal. And if these organisms escape into the wild, they could spread rapidly, contaminating the environment and causing unknown ecological damage. So how close are we to creating mirror life? While scientists haven't yet created a full mirror cell, they've already succeeded in building mirror image proteins and enzymes, small but crucial steps toward creating whole organisms. Based on current research, experts predict that within the next decade, we could see the first mirror bacterium. And that's why many biosecurity experts are calling for immediate action to regulate these experiments before they reach the dangerous stage. In response to these growing concerns, nearly 100 scientists, ethicists, and policymakers recently gathered in Paris to discuss the risks and next steps. Their consensus is clear: self-regulation isn't enough. Mirror life could be a global threat that requires immediate international oversight. The report calls for global restrictions on the development of mirror life, emphasizing the need for worldwide cooperation before these organisms are created and potentially released into the environment. What can be done to prevent the potential disaster of mirror life? Experts suggest careful monitoring of synthetic biology experiments, global agreements on regulating research, and quick action if any dangerous organisms are accidentally released. Without such measures, mirror life could become the world's next ecological nightmare. Mirror life presents a new frontier in biology, but it's one we may not want to explore. As science pushes forward, it's vital that we consider the profound ethical and ecological risks involved. The pursuit of knowledge should never come at the cost of our planet's future. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest scientific breakthroughs and their potential consequences.